Alright, hey guys, Sonic the Gamer Hack here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make something run across the screen. And so if you want to download this image, then I'm gonna show you how to make them go across the screen and do a loopy loop in this. So like, um, so like, yeah. If you could choose any one, but it has to be a background. I forgot to also type in your background, guys. If you have comments, then this is good. So what you wanna do is, yeah, I'm gonna also show you how to make them run across the screen. So first, go to KineMaster, and I'm only gonna show you how to make them run across the screen because you saw how I did it for my video, one of my videos, because you have to use keyframes. As you see, these videos, a lot of song text to speech videos I'll be making now. But I'm just gonna not make them talk. I'll just go like, so like, what you wanna do is get the background. So get the green hill background, and this is how it goes. So press layer, then press media. So get the running Sonic image. If in a second, then you're good to go. That's all. Just pick a transfer background if you want. I'm not usually doing it. So like, what you want to do is go to the keyframes button. And then like this. So if you're following, then you're on the right track. If you mess up, you can watch over. Sorry I don't do it that clean. So and then make them go across the screen like that. And then you can watch the results. And as you see, that's the results. What you wanna also do is add your green hill zone. Add your second one that you're gonna. do, and then you're gonna do the same thing. Go to where, press media, and add the same image if you want to. And just do this. If you want to make it kind of slower, then you could do this. Just move them a little bit, and then move them again a little bit. Press that. And then make them go slower again. And then you want to keep copying this till they get to the, till they get there. So that's how you do it. And then you can watch it in full screen. Just hold the play button. And then you have it. I didn't mean to do the Sonic run that clean though. Why was the Sonic one that clean? Why was it that clean, bro? And then you have it. Upload it if you want. So I'm gonna upload this test soon. Once I upload this video that I'm making. And I'll see you once it's full. Alright guys, it's full now. Upload the video if you want. I'm gonna upload that soon.